Good afternoon, boys and girls. We're going to do a worksheet today. Now, the worksheet has two things. On one side, it's got words. On the other side, it's got bugs. I'm going to start with the bug side because I like bugs and it looks like fun. All right, this is a worksheet. It's got a big picture of a little space in a garden. Oh, I'm sorry. This is page 214. You'll see the garden picture. And I'm going to read it. It says, look at the picture. Count the objects. Circle the correct number. Now, the objects we're going to be counting are all in this picture. So, for example, the first thing you're going to look at is grasshoppers. You got to look through the picture and find the grasshoppers. I see one here on top of the mushroom. There's one. And on the other mushroom is another one. So you have to circle. How many grasshoppers did you see? Did you see 2 or 3? Circle the right one. I forgot to tell you to get a pencil. If you haven't got a pencil or a crayon or a marker or something to write with, pause this for a second and go get something to write with so you can do this with us. All right, the next picture, what is this thing? We find these on the playground all the time. That's an acorn. You know there's either going to be 1 acorn or 2 acorns. So you got to look through the whole picture and find the acorns. Well, I see this one. Do you see any more? I don't see any more. So you're going to circle the number, how many there are. 1, you got to circle the number 1. Okay, the next picture is ladybugs. Love ladybugs. Let's see. Red body with black spots. I see one right away. Here's one. There's another. And another, and another, and another. Ooh, and one over here. So you're going to need to count those up and then circle the right number. How many did you count? Now I'm going to give you a hint. Because they're scattered about so much, if you want to, you can, when you count it, you can put an X on it and say, all right, I counted that one. That way you won't count the same one twice. But you know, it's going to be one of these two numbers. How many ants are there? Well, the ants are all in a line. So that's, you can tell it's either going to be or, let's count them. Going into their ant hill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ants. So you're going to circle the number 7. How many bees are there? Now the bees are all flying. You know it's going to be this number or this number. Oh, they're not all flying. I just saw another one. Look, I saw this one. It's not flying. It's on a flower. And there's one, and there's one, and there's one. And there's some more over here. I'm not going to point to them all because I want you to find them. And the last thing you're going to find is snails. I'm going to give you the hint that all the snails are down on the ground because snails like it where it's cool and dark and a little wet. So count the snails and circle the number that goes with them. All right, that's our fun bug page. Now let's turn it over and look at page 213 where we have words. Again, you're going to need to sound out the words and see which one goes with the picture. Now, some of these are a little tricky because they have the same first letter. So you're going to have to look carefully at all the letters in the word. On this one, the word is not fish. See the little arrow? It's pointing to that part of the fish. That part, you remember what that is? Fin. Fin. So let's look. F, in, f. In, fin, fog, fog, fog. Circle the one that goes with that picture. Come over to this one. This is not a chicken, it's a girl chicken, so it is a hen. Hen. Let's sound out the words. Hen, hen. Hen. Og, hog. Hen, hog. All right, our next one. This is a special kind of glove that catchers wear when they're playing baseball. This is called the catcher's mitt. A mitt. So let's look at the words. Oh, they both start with a mitt. There's two T's. We're only going to say it once. We're not going to say mitt. We're going to say mitt. Mitt. Mom. Mom. Which word goes with this? This is not a mouse. It's a rat. It's a rat. I used to have a pet rat. It was very sweet. Let's read. Rat. 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 Or, at. Mat. Mat. Those are rhyming words, aren't they? Look, they both end in A-T. Rat, mat. Cool. Circle the one that goes with that picture, though. All right, come down here. I see a label sticking out. That must be a cup of tea. You know how much I like my tea. Let's see which one says cup. Cup. Up. Up. Pup. Up. Up. Cup. Two more rhyming words. Pup. Cup. Circle the one that goes with this picture. And we're down to the very end. Look at this. We don't have many of these around. See the bucket? People would drop that bucket down to get water out of the well. Well. So let's look. Well. Remember, we don't say two L's. It's a l. It's just one. Well. Will. Will. Well. Will. Circle the one that goes with that picture. And then, just for good practice, write your name here on the lines. Remember, every letter rests on that red baseline. We don't want any floating letters. And tall ones hit the top, and descending letters hit the bottom. Go down into that basement. I hope you have fun with this page. I had a lot of fun going over it with you. So, I'll see you later.